Performing minor construction, maintenance, or repair activities in an occupied area, such as patient care areas, offices, labs, computer rooms, or production areas containing sensitive equipment, can require careful planning to avoid harmful contaminants from infecting a patient or getting into product or machinery. Mintie Technologies has several ECU products to meet these demanding containment needs and help safely contain airborne particles without contaminating the surrounding environment. Plastic sheeting and poles with lengthy setup and breakdown times and inconsistent installations are a challenge for these types of activities, as they have a tendency to fail and may not be capable of handling the required level of negative air pressure. Always a hassle is the tape required to create a positive seal, which often peels away from the surface, exposing occupants in the surrounding area to potentially infectious pathogens. The portable, collapsible, standardized nature of the ECU eliminates these challenges and provides a safe and secure containment every time. For performing work above the ceiling, including inspections, ceiling tile replacement, cabling, and plumbing repairs, the ECU ceiling cavity is a cost-effective tool that will help you get the job done quickly and effectively. With a footprint measuring 28 by 58 inches, it easily accommodates a 2 by 4 ceiling tile and is capable of reaching standard ceiling heights from 7'8" to 9'5". When more versatility is required, such as when working simultaneously in ceiling and adjacent sidewall, the ECU2, a larger multi-purpose unit, is the ideal choice. With both ceiling and wall access doors, the ECU2 is 30% larger and can be used to create an even larger containment area by joining multiple units together in a modular configuration. In this setup, the ECU2 can be used to provide a workspace with a separate anteroom as a secondary precaution against the risk of releasing particulate into a clean environment. This system provides the ultimate in maintaining a dust-free environment. A Velcro panel on either end of the ECU2 opens to permit cabling or lengths of pipes to be fed into ceiling cavity while containment is still being maintained. With a footprint of 34 by 62 inches, it can reach ceiling heights of 10'6". For wall projects or maintenance activities on medical gas, electrical panels, fire and life safety panels or devices, spot painting or other wall modification projects, the ECU anteroom and the larger ECU2 can provide the enclosed environment needed in high-risk patient-occupied areas or which contains sensitive equipment. Each has a zip-out flange that seals tightly to the wall by tape or Velcro so that work may be safely performed without the risk of releasing particulates into the environment. Using the same flange, both the ECU anteroom and the ECU2 can be used as a negative pressure entry and exit chamber when construction and maintenance activities are performed in unoccupied patient rooms or other rooms in sensitive areas. 4 doors facilitate the rapid movement of equipment and personnel into the isolated work areas, while the 12-inch negative air port enables HEPA-filtered negative air filtration to keep the anteroom negative to the corridor. When the need arises for a quick repair or replacement of corridor ceilings, wall covering, carpeting, or other flooring material, the ECU2 can be paired with the optional corridor flange accessory to isolate a specified portion of the corridor. The quick and easy setup of the ECU2 corridor flange allows almost any segment of a corridor to be taken to a negative pressure rapidly, so the work can get done with as little disruption to the surrounding areas as possible. The corridor flange simply zips into the ECU2 and is attached using Velcro to the circumference of the corridor. Soffit and handrails are easily accommodated.